Ever dreamt of unlocking the world's secrets, stumbling upon treasures unknown, or weaving an invisible shield of safety into your daily life? What if the key to all that and more sits quietly in your hand or lies waiting in your car? Dive in with us as we reveal how everyday marvels can transform your reality, bringing to life possibilities you've hardly dared to imagine. Your adventure into the extraordinary starts now. Don't miss out on unearthing the incredible right here, right now. Allow me to introduce the AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Backup Camera, an easy-to-install solution that increases safety and convenience while driving. With this camera, anyone can enhance their car with a rear viewing system in just about 3 minutes. All you need is a screwdriver. It conveniently attaches to the top or bottom of your standard US license plate frame. This all-inclusive camera system is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery, negating the need to wire it into your vehicle's electrical system. It's uniquely designed with its own signal antenna and processing chip, making the unit compact and efficient. Nighttime driving is made safer with the camera's advanced low-light vision capabilities, providing clear, detailed images up to 30 feet in complete darkness. This means even when it's pitch black, you'll have a reliable view of what's behind your vehicle. Versatility is key with the option to connect a second camera, whether it's another license plate camera or one for a trailer, giving you multiple perspectives for better awareness. This camera system is also designed to endure tough weather conditions without fogging up or losing clarity, ensuring longevity and performance. Customize the view with settings that allow you to flip the image vertically or horizontally, and select from 6 different guidelines to assist with difficult parking situations or just to have better insight into your rear surroundings. Remember, this wireless camera is not just about making reversing easier, it's about adding a layer of safety for you and others on the road. Switching gears to treasure hunting, we introduce the Garrett Pro metal detector, set to be your go-to gadget in pursuit of hidden antiquities. This device is perfect not only for locating metallic objects buried under the earth, but also for seeking out lost items or hidden treasures underwater, thanks to its waterproof mechanism. Its robust, high-quality design makes it a favorite for both beginner and expert metal detecting hobbyists. This metal detector offers professional-level features at an accessible price point, providing superb value for your investment. Equipped with sophisticated technology, the device can detect and distinguish between different kinds of metals. This means you can tailor your search to specific types of items, for example, coins, jewelry, or relics. The sound quality of the signals lets you easily distinguish between different types of targets. Moreover, its durable construction ensures that the device can handle different environments and weather conditions. So, whether you're searching on a sandy beach, a historic site, or your own backyard, the Garrett Pro metal detector is a fantastic tool for unlocking the Earth's hidden secrets. With this device, every day is a potential treasure hunt. Keeping the thrill of treasure hunting accessible, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 metal detector comes next, simplifying the hunt for enthusiasts at all levels. This device comes with an 8-inch waterproof coil, enabling you to search in varying conditions, be it on land or underwater. The TK4 Tracker 4 is smartly designed with dual-tone discriminant, allowing it to differentiate between valuable items such as gold and silver and other less valuable metals like iron. The sensitivity and discriminant adjustments ensure you get the most out of your hunting experience. This metal detector stands out due to its automatic ground track feature. It automatically adjusts to the mineralization of the ground you're searching. This means it can effectively detect metallic objects in environments ranging from salt, wet beaches to highly mineralized inland sites without requiring operator adjustments. Comfort is also a key design feature. It comes with a padded armrest and a cushioned S-rod handle, delivering an ergonomic and less fatiguing experience. The length is easily adjustable for your comfort. With the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4, uncovering hidden treasures has never been easier or more comfortable. Highlighting adaptability for varied skill levels, the Nokta Makro Simplex waterproof detector takes the stage, turning hidden treasures into exciting finds for beginners and seasoned hunters alike. Its waterproof design means you can use it to search along riverbanks, beaches, or even submerged underwater for those elusive finds. This detector is exceptionally user-friendly, with a straightforward control panel that allows novices to start their treasure hunting adventures with minimal setup. The simplicity of its operation does not compromise its performance, though. It is equipped with features found in more expensive models, offering you a lot for your money. One of the key benefits of the Nokta Makro Simplex is its lightweight build. You can easily carry it for hours of searching without feeling weighed down. Additionally, it features different search modes optimized to help you find various types of metals like iron, gold, and silver. It also has a vibration mode, which is great news for hearing-impaired users or for detecting underwater where sound is less audible. The detector also includes a backlit LED screen, ensuring visibility in low-light conditions. Whether it's an early morning hunt or at dusk, you'll be able to see your detections and navigate through settings. This robust device provides many possibilities for treasure seekers to discover what's hidden beneath the surface. Moving from the broad search to precision, the Garrett Pro Pointer at waterproof pinpointing metal detector makes its appearance, arming you with a compact handheld device for those final steps in your treasure hunt. This small but powerful tool is meant to be used alongside a full-sized metal detector. Once you've found a signal with your main device, you use the Pro Pointer to get the exact location, saving you time and effort in digging. Because it is waterproof, you can use it in shallow water, whether you are on a beach or in a stream, to find hidden metals. It's built sturdy and durable, which is excellent for all kinds of environments. The device is very easy to operate with a single button that adjusts sensitivity for finer detection and turns it on or off. It comes with a helpful scraping blade for sifting through soil. It also has both audio and vibration alerts that increase in intensity as you get closer to the item, allowing you to detect by sound or feel. The Garrett Pro Pointer AT is bright orange, making it highly visible, so you don't accidentally leave it behind after your outdoor scouting is done. This little detector is a serious tool for anyone who loves the treasure hunting hobby and wants to up their search game. Lastly, when it comes to companions on a voyage to the past, your sights should be set on the SUNPOW metal detector, aptly suited to guide you through many exciting treasure hunting adventures. This device for adults is notable for its high accuracy, making it efficient in identifying and differentiating between 6 types of metals such as iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, and silver. The detector has 4 detection modes. The all-metal mode can find most types of metals, whereas the disc and notch modes omit unwanted metal types. The PP mode is then used to pinpoint the exact location of the target. It has an adjustable stem ranging from 47.3 inches to 55.2 as, making it suitable for users of different heights. It's designed with comfort in mind, featuring an adjustable armrest and an anti-slip handle for a relaxed grip. A backpack is supplied for easy transport. Detecting can be influenced by micrometals native to the environment. To mitigate this, the device has a ground balance adjustment function to reduce external interference in all-metal mode. The detector uses an advanced digital signal processor chip to enhance search range and sensitivity. With a 10 inches waterproof coil, you can venture into shallow waters like beaches or streams. Although the search coil is waterproof, the control box isn't. Incorporating these functions with smart design makes the SUNPOW metal detector a capable tool for unearthing those hidden gems. That's a wrap on today's adventure. We traversed the world of gear that enhances drives and treasure hunts. Like what you saw, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join us for more gear revelations. Don't miss out. Your next adventure gadget is just a video away. A huge thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay equipped, and keep exploring with us. Until next time, happy camping.